everybody, welcome back to Reissued. Andrew here. It is a rainy Saturday morning here in Georgia, and I woke up this morning and I thought, do I want to work on many of the ongoing projects that I have for my house? Not really. Do I want to start a new project? Not really. Do I want to go thrifting? Absolutely, every day. So in the past, I've been hesitant to do a kind of like thrift with me video like this because you never know what you're gonna find when you go thrifting. Some days I end up with like a carload of stuff and some days I end up with nothing. So I was thinking that it may not be that exciting if I go and don't buy anything, but at the same time, maybe we'll see some stuff that's still cool even if it's not for me. In any case, I love the thrifting process. Maybe you do too. So I'm gonna take you with me today. Outfit of the day featuring my Yeezy Gap DIY jacket. Some of the things that I make here on my channel, I like never wear again. This one gets wear all the time. Definitely check that video out. All right, first stop, gym. My gym is conveniently like right down the street from my first two favorite thrifting spots. So you better believe that on days that I don't want to go to the gym that I use a little drop by the Goodwill and Habitat REISSUED as a motivator. Yeah, let's go in and get this done. All right, gym done. Rain is picking up. Next stop, Goodwill. So before we go in, I always like to have kind of a game plan about things that I'm looking for. So I have kind of various projects in the works, various pieces that I need throughout my house. So I have kind of a running list. Some of the things on that list include like a nightstand for the other side of my bed. I actually bought a sewing table that's on the left side, and I just want something different on the right side that has like some storage, some drawers, so that I can have some concealed storage there. I'm also looking for like buckles. It could be on purses or on shoes. I need some extra hardware for a chair that I'm working on. I'm definitely looking for a lot of kind of smaller artwork right now. I've purchased a lot of frames. I want to do a gallery wall in my atrium, but I don't want to do that until I sort of collect all of the pieces that I really like. I don't want to just fill it with stuff. I want it to feel really purposeful. So I'm just keeping an eye out for that as well. But of course, I'm going to keep an open mind and just see what they have. That's part of the fun, right?
Welcome to my most frequently shopped Goodwill location. This is where I found my mid-century sewing table turned nightstand, my black eyeball lamp, and this incredible handmade rug. But most of my finds here have been the diamond in the rough type finds that need a little imagination and love to get them on track. First, I hit the buckle and strap hunt. I'm looking for something with black leather and black buckles to work with the look of this leather jacket. I'm going to be upholstering a chair with this jacket in an upcoming video, and I need more straps and buckles to work with. No luck today. I might have to get more creative with this one. First interesting find of the day was this handmade rug. Not my ideal color scheme and a bit of pulling apart around the edges. So this one is definitely not worth the 20 bucks today. But this might be worth keeping an eye on for when it gets discounted. I like the idea of rescuing old damaged rugs and cropping them or collaging them as framed art or tapestries of sorts. This table set is also a great find for the right buyer. I think it would look fantastic in a crisp modern black or a bold bright orange, since the white is making it feel very 90s. That and the upholstery, of course. Some nightstand potential. The drawers are nice, but the overall lines are too traditional and the lack of legs makes it feel heavy. Not what I need. This rolling laundry sorter has potential. The fabric is cheap tote bag type material, which is not holding up all that well. And the shiny silver finish and plastic wheels look a little basic. But the frame feels pretty solid, and this has great project potential. I'm going to roll around with it and think it over. Lots of interesting finds in the lighting aisle. I nearly bought one or two of these drum shades, since I always seem to need good shades for shadeless thrifted lamps. And drum shades are a perfect look for nearly any lamp. This cactus lamp was funny, kinda. This ceiling mount schoolhouse style fixture was a great find, especially for the price. I'm interested in this timeless schoolhouse look for my office space, but I'm looking for more of a double pendant rather than a flush mount. This floor lamp was cute too. A quick stop in the book aisle to look for art books. These can be a great option for affordable small wall art. Just tear out a couple pages and frame them. Classy? Maybe not. Effective for quick, high-quality prints? Definitely. Glassware showed some potential. I picked up this pink depression glass measuring cup and juicer a couple months back, and have since been on the hunt for more pink depression glass pieces. This one is pretty, but I prefer the geometric look to the floral look. There are lots of clear geometric pieces, but the pink is a bit more unexpected, which makes it a little bit edgier in my book. On to artwork. Pretty bleak at first, but upon further inspection, there were definitely some interesting finds. Nothing felt like a must-have for me today, though. So with my rolling cart in hand, I rolled on out, spending just over $5. I'm planning to replace the wheels, paint the frame, and use the existing fabric as a pattern to remake the sorter out of a heavy-duty canvas, maybe a drop cloth. On to the REISSUED. This is the site of so many of my best finds. This, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. I actually work here a couple days a week now. I was coming in so often that I thought I might as well get paid for it. This mid-century nightstand has potential, but I think it's too short for what I need. And I'd rather not get another natural wood piece in my bedroom. Plus, it's more than my budget today. Moving on. This price tag is better, but it feels clunky and would take more to update it than it's worth. This short little curio cabinet is amazing. I'm looking for a piece like this for my primary bath to go along with the new toilet wall that I'm planning to add. This might work, so I'll carry the tag around and think it over. This piano is beautiful. I have a beat-up, non-functional piano in my house currently that I was planning to gut and insert my electric keyboard into, but as that project seems increasingly complicated and all the other projects pile up, I'd rather just get a working piano. This one has great lines and a mid-century flair, but it's more than I want to spend. So maybe it'll stick around and get discounted. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, wow. This Art Deco curio cabinet is absolutely stunning. The curved lines are wonderfully unique, and the multi-tone veneer is in pretty good shape. At $300, it's pricey, but I think it's totally worth it. But do I have a place for it? I don't think so. Bummer. And upon further thought, this little curio is too short for the space I need it for. So let's put the tag back on and head on out.
So I left the REISSUED empty-handed today. There were definitely some really good things in there that I'm thinking about. I think that the more I thrift and the more my house sort of comes together and I realize how many clothes I have, I feel like I've become a lot more choosy lately about what I actually buy. Doesn't mean that I don't go thrifting any less often, but I just try to really think about where is this gonna go? How can I use this? Just because I feel a little bit bogged down with stuff at the moment. So I'm just trying to be able to say no. Back when I first was renovating my house, I would just sort of like buy whatever I liked, you know, I'll put it somewhere. But now that things are starting to take shape fully, I just don't have room to do that at this point. So I'm really looking for specific pieces. I have to have an idea of where they go. So that just means that I become a lot more choosy when I thrift in terms of what I actually take home and buy, which is good. This is a good exercise. Last stop today is gonna be the other Goodwill location a little bit down the road. Let's check it out. This rain is crazy.
I don't visit this Goodwill location as regularly since it's a bit farther out from my standard circle, but I've still found some amazing things in here, including my vintage Vogue mirror, cane chair, and the waterfall vanity that's in my new bathroom. The furniture section was pretty bleak today, although anyone looking for giant plush animals was in luck. I like the texture of this rug, but I'm nearly maxed out on rugs at the moment, and I'd rather go for something handmade with some color or something natural and durable for by my front door. I carried these metal cubes around for a bit. You know I love a geometric moment, and these could be cool to hang or sit on a shelf to add some graphic shape. I set them down when I found this brass fan. So pretty. But I set it down as well when I remembered how similar it was to the brass fan tray I bought at the same store that collects odds and ends by my bed. This is the second time I've seen a leather look frame today. Neither one was very attractive, but maybe I could make a leather frame cool. What do we think? Although there were some good finds, nothing really stood out to me quite enough, so I headed out.
Empty-handed again. With thrifting, your luck comes and goes. You never know what you're gonna find. So I'm concluding my day of thrifting, spending just over $5 for my laundry rack. I'm really excited about that, actually. I was just thinking, like, it started with me just wanting that aesthetically, you know, that kind of Magnolia home-looking old-school laundry bin. But also, right now, I have to keep my laundry in a closet with the door closed because Queenie likes to go through dirty laundry and chew things up. So this might be actually really useful to have it sit up off the floor a little bit. Hopefully she won't find a way to get into it. I guess we'll see. If you enjoy this rainy day thrift with me, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. This is not usually what I do, but I thought it might be fun. I was doing it anyway, and I thought I would take you guys along for it. So definitely let me know if you want to see more thrifting videos like this. Also, I'm dying to hear from you guys in the comments. Do we like what I got? Which things would you have bought that I didn't buy? I want to hear what you thought. What were your favorite pieces? Definitely let me know. Be sure to subscribe if you want to follow along with my home renovation and see what kind of projects I'm working on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Queenie, where are you? Hi, baby. Hi. Were you sleeping? Oh, good girl. Oh, so pretty, baby.